Good afternoon everyone, myself Priyanka, Assistant Professor in Nursing Department of RPMS. Today we will discuss about the types of pain. As our previous topic we discussed about the pain, introduction about the pain and classification of pain, in which we discuss about the two type of classification. First one is acute pain and next is chronic pain. Further, chronic pain is subdivided into two portions, malignant and non-malignant. Now we will discuss about the type of pain. If anyone has query about my previous topic, then please do comment. Next is the type of pain. So firstly is the somatic pain. The somatic pain, both somatic and visceral pain travel along the same pathway. Pain stimuli arising from the viscera is perceived as somatic in origin. This can be confused by the brain and is often described as a referred pain. Next is the bone pain, poorly localized aching, deep burning. Common with the malignancy of breast, lung, prostate, bladder, cervical, renal, colon and stomach and esophagus. Can lead to pathological fractures. Vertebral metastasis can lead to cord compression. Next is neuropathic pain, caused by disturbance of function or pathological changes in a nerve. May arise from lesions or trauma, infection, compression or tumor invasion. Described as burning, shooting, tingling, does not respond well to standard analgesics. Categories of pain classified by inferred pathophysiology. First is nociceptive pain, stimuli from somatic and visceral structures. Next is neuropathic pain, stimuli abnormally processed by nervous system. Next is nociceptive, caused by invasion or destruction or pressure on superficial somatic structure like skin, deeper skeletal structure such as bone, muscles and visceral structure or organ. Types: superficial somatic, deep somatic and visceral. Next is neuropathic, caused by pressure on and or destruction of peripheral, autonomic or central nervous system structure. Radiation of pain along dermatomal or peripheral nerve distribution, often described as burning and deep aching, and associated with dysesthesias and lancinating pain. Next is effect of pain. First is sympathetic responses, pallor, increased blood pressure, increased pulse, increased respiration and skeletal muscle tension and diaphoresis. Effect of pain, parasympathetic responses, decreased blood pressure, decreased pulse, nausea and vomiting, weakness, pallor and loss of consciousness. So this is all about today's topics. I hope you understood about this, in which we discussed about the type of pain. We discussed two type of pain, that is somatic and visceral. After that, neuropathic pain and categories of pain, in which we discuss about the nociceptive and neuropathic. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe our channel of RPI Academics. Thank you so much. If you have any inquiry, then please comment it. Thank you.